So it's unboxing time and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to unbox this box. Of course, there are shoes or crotch high PVC lacquer boots of some sort. So let's check them out. I just got them right now and I'm a bit excited because, I love my thigh highs and I love my crotch highs. Stiletto heeled boots. So here we go. Oh, they sent some extra heels. That's cool. I like that. Of all the heels I've ever bought, I've never gotten extra heels. You always take them to the shoe repairman or shoemaker and, they're like, do you want steel heel? Do you want rubber heel? And I'm like, I want the one that sounds the most because I want the sound. When I walk in my heels, I want them to sound good. Man, these are fucking looking awesome. Oh, it's really hard to unbox with just one hand, y'all. Guys, you're just gonna have to bear with me. Oh man. These are really nice. Like really nice. Like they're crotch high, alright? When I say crotch high, they're not thigh high. They go all the way to the crotch. Because thigh high, sometimes it's, it can be over a knee. And to me, that's, well, it's cute and all, but I do love my crotch high babies. I mean, it's like the camera can't even take in all of this. I have not even tried them yet, but I can feel it's a great buy. I love it already. So let's see the other pair. Because it's supposed to be two of them, It's a weird way to pack these babies in. Weird way to fold them in. Feels like they just rush them, But I'm not complaining. I'm loving it already. The fake leather feels thick and good. Size 8, y'all. Size 8, y'all. Don't judge me. I'm a lady, but I'm a size 8 lady. And it feels good. I do have the pleaser ones, which you can see in my video. Drag queen dancing in my thigh-high boots or something like that. It has huge amount of viewers and it's age restricted. Thank you very much, YouTube. It's nothing sexual. It's drag. I have lots of tights, lots of clothes on, but it looks like I'm naked dancing in my thigh-high boots, and YouTube decided to not monetize and age restrict them and all. So thank you, YouTube. Oh, these are great. I'm loving that. Shiny PVC lacquer. When I do try them on, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you when I do try them on. So I'm gonna keep these wrapping paper in place and I'm gonna keep this box. And I really love the fact that I got extra heels. I like that. I really do. So the brand is Raid. I've never heard of this brand before, but yeah. Patent leather. Yeah, that's what they are. Patent leather. Bruna. It's the model or the name of the shoes. Thank you.